Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If startup apps are not disabling on your PC or laptop and still open automatically, here is another method you can use to fix this issue. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Now click on Apps. Then click on Installed Apps. Here you will see a list of all apps installed on your device. Find the app that still opens on startup even after disabling it. Click on the three dots next to that app. Now select Advanced Options. Scroll down and look for Startup Task or Runs at Login. Click on Configure Startup Task. Now turn off the toggle for Runs at Login. This will stop the app from opening automatically when your device starts. After doing this, restart your PC or laptop and check again. The app should no longer open on startup. That is how you fix startup apps not disabling on your PC or laptop. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more PC and laptop troubleshooting tutorials.